Shardul Tadaskar is our 2018 graduate, and he works for Reliance Jio. Shardul, can we hear from you?
Yes, ma'am, for sure. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Shardul, you are audible.
Yeah. So as Megha ma'am just introduced me, I'm a pass out from EXTC department in 2018. So currently I'm working in Reliance Jio as a DevOps engineer. So first of all, I'd like to thank, apart from the EXTC department, I'd like to thank the college as a whole because discipline is something that I learned from Father Agnel, and that is something which has helped me a lot during my work hours. Completing the projects on deadline, uh, learning new softwares and everything. And apart from that, currently I'm working something which is not related to EXTC at all, but it requires some of the skills like data encryption, data compression. Then what can I say? Yeah, actually, even in third year, I was doing an internship with Reliance Jio, where I was working under the telecommunication department, and there I got to apply the skills for mobile communications and the wireless networks. So that is something where the college comes into role. Apart from that, from the final year project perspective, uh, I got the motivation to pursue masters in embedded systems. So that is a plan which is on hold right now because of all the pandemic and thing. But hopefully next year I'll pursue that. And apart from this, actually I wasn't actually prepared for this thing. But anything else? Any other questions which you'd like to ask, ma'am?
No, no. I was just, so wanted you to summarize what were your experiences here as a student and how did it help you in the career. So, discipline is one thing that you pointed out. Yes, of course. And the curriculum as such helps you to dabble into many things and gain that confidence of being able to do things that are beyond your curriculum, right? Because
Exactly.
curriculum is not the only thing which is useful directly in the industry. It is the skills that you develop, and I guess you have got plenty of opportunities to develop your engineering skills while it
Yes,
is
ma'am, that's
final year.
definitely there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
yeah,
definitely there. I mean, one more
right.
thing I'd like to talk
Yes,
about, like something that I know about right now.
yes, Shardul.
Few of the opportunities that I got, I already mentioned about the internship. I mentioned about my job.
Hmm.
And when I started my career with Geo, I was
Hmm.
fortunate enough to get into the recruitment activities for my company. So I basically
Oh,
recruited people for my company too.
oh, actually two videos to play. Just one video I will play from again a 2019 batch student Nikhil Shah, who works with Select Control, and I will just share my Chrome tab with you all, and I will play this video from the drive. Nikhil Shah has been kind enough to record his video and share with us. And we will be able to hear what you. I'm sorry, this is not the video. The Nikhil Shah's video is this. Let us hear from
Nikhil
him.
Shah. I am a 2019 EXTC pass out and presently working in Select Controls Private Limited. Select Controls is an electronics hardware company based in Mahape, Navi Mumbai. I am working as a design engineer and as a project manager. During my time in college, I think the most important quality that I learned was discipline. Uh, uh, as a general observation, I found that discipline is lacking in the outside world, and if you are someone who possesses good discipline, I think it's really very useful. While I was in college, the a unique project which stands out, which I got to work on, was something called FPGAs. Now that is something which not everyone gets an opportunity to work on, and I had that opportunity. So it was a lot of fun, and it helped me gain a lot of practical knowledge. I think that was fun. And apart from that, in general, if you ask me, then uh, I observed that the students who were doing more projects had much better practical knowledge and got placed in good core hardware electronics companies. I mean, while I was in college, the teachers know how much I was focused on studies. I wasn't. But yeah, but I was always into projects, and I think that was something very useful. Um for the future students and even the present students, my message would be to focus more on projects and decide in the second or third year itself about what they want to do after the engineering, whether they want to go for masters directly or for a job. And they should align themselves accordingly, because the earlier you start, the better it is. And there is no end to how much you can know. So, you know, always keep learning, and all the very best. Goodbye.
So that was our
Nikhil
student.
Shah, I am
Yeah,
2019 EXT.
that was our student Nikhil Shah. And this is Avi
My name is
Norona.
Avi. I'm currently pursuing my Masters of Advanced Electrical Engineering in Monash University. I am from the 2018 batch of Electronics and Communication at Father Agnes. And I remember my 12th standard where before the 4 months before the paper on performance, I was very unaware of which profession I want to follow, but I loved cars and bikes. So I used to go to these annual fairs, automobile annual fairs, and I was having this discussion with a recent graduate, and how he was telling me about the recent sensor-based application in cars which detect an impact and release the airbag to save a person's life, and the importance of it. And this interested me, and I went and did a bit of research on Google and which stream to follow to be into this field, to design certain things, such things. And it was electronics engineering. But also at the same time, I was interested into the recent mobile network industry that was booming. So I followed electronics and telecommunication. Throughout the 4 years, I think so I developed a lot of technical skills because of the practical based application for each subject. We had to do a certain project, or we had to work on certain software, which invested me with all the technical skills required for pursuing my master's or for a professional career. But more than technical skills, what I value was the soft skills that I developed. Engaging with people, developing a personality, communicating with others was something which I think so every professional individual needs to have, which would help you not only in your professional career, but even I think so in a personal life. Besides this, there's another program which I love held by the Electronics and Telecommunication Department, which I love a lot, is the counseling program, where a teacher is assigned to you, and every mid-semester you have a review. You just talk to your teacher. You tell them, you discuss about your academic progress. You tell them about your career goals. Tell them about extracurricular activities, and the teacher would guide you what field you want to follow in, whether it would be an entrepreneur, you want to be an entrepreneur, or you want to be a professional, or you want to do higher studies. She would guide you, or he would guide you to follow in the right path. Besides, I think so I was fortunate enough, or I think so every batch is fortunate enough to have a group of selected individuals in their class who would guide them, or inspire them to always do better, because there's a healthy competition. Everybody wants to succeed in life. So there's a healthy competition to always do your best. And this is what I loved at Father Agnes, this healthy competition. To sum it up, I think so this 4-year experience was not only an experience in engineering, but an experience that is much valuable in life. Thank you, and best of luck with all your future endeavors.
Yeah, so that was Avi Norona, 2018 pass out, and he has just finished his MS from Monash University, Australia, and he claims to have developed his life skills, personality skills, soft skills at the department, apart from the technical skills.